Y'all, so today I got a 1980s Suzuki King Quad. So this thing's pretty cool as what I can see. Like, it just looks awesome. The guy said it hasn't run in a while. It kind of just sat in his back shed. I'm willing to bet that the battery's probably dead. It looks pretty small. I opened up the front thing. So I did buy a battery for it already. And it looks like it's got a pretty bad flat right there. And that's all I can see that's wrong with it. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and plug in the battery and see if it turns over, like just turns over. If it's, make sure it's not seized, nothing like that. So hopefully I can get this thing running. So hopefully this thing will do it some justice, because this was the battery that was in it, and those are for those Chinese four-wheelers and stuff like that. Let's see if this battery gave it life or if it has an electrical issue. Yep, lights work, neutral light comes on. Now I'm going to try to start it. It turns over, it's just not having it. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what's going on with this thing. Y'all, so it runs well, and I just took it for a quick ride, you know, in the rain. It's really raining. It was pretty fun. And so it's already wet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it off while it's still wet, and then ride it again in the rain, because that was baller. So. little chilly. Oh, yeah. Oh, crap. It's a little cold. Oh, man. Oh. 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 Cold. That was fun. Also, I put the seat back on and the airbox back on, and it is done. It's cleaned up, looking nice, and it runs great. After I cleaned the carb, it started like first like click. So yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.